Hey Jetty Rockers, well today we're going to do another segment of the cleaning table. And I know I've already done a kingfish, how to clean, but now we're going to do how to fillet a kingfish. Last time I did a kingfish cleaning table segment, it was staking them, which is the most common way of doing it. But in this one we're going to teach you how to fillet a kingfish, which is an excellent way of doing it, especially if you're going to deep fry a kingfish. So real quick guys, I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Alright Jetty Rockers, I got my king mackerel here, one that the barracuda bit the tail off of. Look at that, he did a number on it, but hey, we got most of the fish, so that's a big plus. But we're going to clean this today, and we're going to do this a little bit different than the traditional way of cleaning a kingfish, because I'm going to do something with it that most people do not do with kingfish, but we're going to do, and it's awesome. It's absolutely incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and just make an incision right here. Get my bigger knife here. I'm gonna come through here. Actually, that knife is not sharp. I cleaned that shark the other day and it kind of dulled it out. So we're just gonna come through just like this, and we're gonna fillet this bad boy out. A lot of people like to steak kings, me included. I'm a big fan of steaking the kingfish. But we are gonna go ahead and take this fillet off. Like that. And there you go guys, there's a really nice kingfish fillet. So we get the other one, scrape it along that bone. Go ahead and do the other side here. Big fish. All right, we got the other side here. These are extremely easy fish to fillet. Almost as easy as a bluefish. There you go. There you go guys. Not much waste, but there's a little bit of meat left on here. What we're going to do is I'm going to cut it up in little chunks, and I'm going to put the rest of this in my crab traps. Alright guys, we got the fillet here. Here comes the tricky part with filleting a kingfish, because you can go right through that skin and you don't want to do that. So you want to just come along, just go slow. Just like that. Alright, and this is what you're left with. And what we're going to do, where this bloodline is, we're going to come through, just going to go right along it. Just like that guys. And that is a beautiful, clean piece of king mackerel. Same thing on this other side right here. There you go. So that's what we're left with right there guys. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to deep fry some king mackerel, and it is absolutely delicious guys. Alright guys, we're going to do that one more time. Just come in, get the knife started, just real gently along that skin. You don't want to push down too hard because you don't want to go through that skin. Just take your time with it. Go slow. What I like to do is sometimes on these longer fish, reach in here and grab the skin again and pull. Just like that. And there you go. Awesome. Oh, see, right there I left some skin on. That's what you don't want to do, but that's easy to fix. Just come through here. Take all this off. Alright, there's that. This other side. There we go. It may look like I'm wasting a lot, guys, by taking this strap out like here, but you got that dark meat, which makes the kingfish taste a little bad, and you get all these little bones going all the way down. So what I do is just cut it out, and I put this in my crab traps. Or you can even cut it off in strips and take it offshore. It works really good. But here we go. That's what we got left, guys. And I just gotta clean this little skin up right here. Sometimes easier said than done. I'm butchering it up a little bit, guys, but you know what? There we go. Alright, though. Here you go, and you're just going to cut it in chunks, and we'll make nuggets out of it. We'll put it in the deep fryer. Hey y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a real quick tutorial on how to fillet a king mackerel, which is something not a lot of people do. Most people actually steak them, but there's a few people out there that do fillet them, and I think it's one of the best ways to do a king mackerel. And if you're going to deep fry it, that is the only way to clean a king mackerel, and deep frying is the way to go with king mackerel. So I want to thank you guys very much for hanging out and watching this video, and I hope you guys found it informative, and I hope you guys help some of y'all out. And until I get to see you guys soon here on the water, well, actually, you know what, before I say that, thank you guys very much for subscribing to my channel and watching all these videos that I put out. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate y'all very much. Now, until I get to see you guys on the water here soon, tight lines, Jetty Rockers. Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.